Well, we manufacture them in a process that we patented. I spent 2 decades trying to figure this out, and it's the first time that a pan has been machine made in one piece with a long handle. And kind of like we replicated with machines the way wrought iron pans were made for thousands of years with a big hammer and glowing red hot and then beat them out into shape. But we use machines to do that efficiently. So we still end up with a one-piece pan with no rivets, no joins, absolutely indestructible. And in fact, our stainless steel, wrought stainless steel pan is a world first. It's never been done. No one's ever made a one-piece stainless steel pan with no other parts, just a solid stainless steel pan. It's never been done before and has still never been done. The world's first, the world's only wrought stainless steel pan. And we also have the wrought iron, AUS-ION range as well. And that's a bit like cast iron. It's iron, but has a lot of benefits over cast iron.